Hi guys, hope you're all doing well today. This is Jody at Flying Fortress RC, and I am throwing my hat into something I've never done before, and it just everything about it just sounded really cool. It's a 48-hour group build, um, hosted by Craig over at Mutt Modler. I'll leave a link to his intro video and update video for the build. Basically, it starts Friday night at 8 p.m. your time zone and runs 48 hours till Sunday at 8 p.m. Your time zone. Can't start before that, but after 8 you can go ahead and start. And yeah, sounds like it's going to be a heck of a lot of fun. So never built a model in 48 hours, so I had this one sitting here that I've been itching to get on because of the Chicago police setup on it. I'm a big fan of the TV show Chicago PD, so definitely want to do that. But it's a brand new kit. I did separate the decals out because I'm actually using the NYPD decals for my first responder group build that I'm sponsoring. Yeah, everything else, it's unstarted. It's gonna have a lot of painting work. When the motor, it's, I guess, what you call a curbside, but you know, there's gonna be a lot of painting done. Yeah, everything's new. Haven't even taken the body out of the bag yet. Excuse me. It is a metal body, so that'll be different. Never done one of them either. So yeah, it'll be a neat experience, I'm sure. And want to see if I can get it done in 48 hours. Like I said, most of it's going to be painting, but you know, that's cool. So yeah, like I said, you know, it's the hashtag 48 hour GB 2023, and ought to be a heck of a lot of fun. Thanks to Craig over at Mutt Modler for sponsoring this, and Friday night I'll get fired off on it. So thanks guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it, and we'll give you updates here later. Take care guys. Thanks.